Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon juicy, updated. Pat salmon dry, season simply, and cook skin side down on medium heat until oils render and internal temp reaches 125 degrees F for moist, slightly rare center. Rest for 5 minutes under foil to finish carryover cooking. Use a thermometer and gentle heat to avoid drying, and consider a butter or oil based for extra flavor and sheen every time. For juicy results, less is often more when seasoning. Keep it simple and complementary. Let the fillet warm a bit to room temp for even cooking, and dry it well to get good sear and render fat. Hit the skin with salt to draw moisture away and create crispness while the flesh stays tender. Finish with a quick baste of butter and lemon for glossy flavor that feels indulgent but light. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tasty tips. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker seen here adds ambience while you cook and makes timers and playlists effortless. I use it to set reminders and control kitchen lights, which keeps things calm and tasty. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you picked one up, thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Choose a method that fits your mood and schedule. Pan-sear for speed and texture, bake for hands-off convenience, or sous vide for exact control. For pan cooking, start skin side down and press gently to ensure contact, then flip only if needed. Baking benefits from a quick high-heat finish to crisp the top. No matter the method, monitor internal temp and rest briefly so juices redistribute and the salmon stays delightfully juicy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.